Are viruses dead or alive? The question of whether viruses are dead or alive is a topic of ongoing debate among scientists. Viruses exhibit characteristics of both living and non-living entities, making them unique and challenging to classify definitively. Characteristics of living organisms. Living organisms typically exhibit the following characteristics. First of all would be cellular structure, composed of one or more cells. Number to metabolism, ability to convert energy from one form to another. Number 3 will be the growth, increase in size or number of cells. Number for reproduction, ability to produce new organisms. Number 5 is the response to stimuli or react to environmental changes. Number 6 homeostasis, maintain internal stability. Number 7 evolution, ability to change over generations through genetic variation and natural selection. Characteristics of viruses. Viruses have some, but not all, of these characteristics. First off, we have the lack of cellular structure. Viruses are not made up of cells. They consist of genetic material DNA or RNA enclosed in a protein coat. Number 2 is no metabolism. Viruses do not carry out metabolic processes on their own. Number 3, no growth. Viruses do not grow in size or complexity. Number for reproduction. Viruses can reproduce, but only inside the cells of a host organism. They hijack the host's cellular machinery to replicate. At number 5, response to stimuli. Viruses do not respond to stimuli in the way living organisms do. Number 6, no homeostasis. Viruses do not maintain internal stability. Number 7 is evolution. Viruses do evolve over time through mutations and natural selection. Conclusion: given these characteristics, viruses are often considered to be on the borderline between living and non-living entities. They do not meet all the criteria for life, particularly because they cannot carry out metabolic processes or reproduce independently. However, their ability to evolve and reproduce within a host cell gives them some attributes of living organisms. In summary, viruses are best described as entities that exist in a gray area between life and non-life. They are not alive in the traditional sense but exhibit some behaviors associated with living organisms when inside a host.